Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in today's video I will show you my 3 best ways that you can make money online in 2019. So guys, if you are searching for how to make money online in 2019, or if you are searching what are the legitimate ways to make money online, then guys, this video is for you, because in this video I will show you what are the ways so that you can make money online in 2019. Right guys, so are you ready for that? Okay, let's start. So guys, my number one way is online course. Yes guys, you can sell your online course. Guys, we all have, naturally we all have some kind of expertise. Maybe you know how to play guitar, maybe you know how to play football, how to play tennis, how to prepare good food, how to prepare sweet, right? How to train dog, how to play golf, right? Or how to lose weight, how to create website, how to do marketing, how to do sales, right? Whatever expertise you have, you can create a video and you can format that these videos in an online course step by step. That first thing what you have to do, second what you have to do, third what you have to do, right guys? Then you can create 7 to 8 videos or more. It's up to you, right? It depends on your niche, your subject, your topic, right? And then you can go to udemy.com and you can upload your courses there and you can sell your courses there. So what Udemy does, they promote your course on behalf of you, and when somebody buys your product, they get small chunk from your profit, from your selling, right guys? So guys, this is the number one way, or you can say this is the legitimate way that you can make money online in 2019 by selling your own online course. So guys, this is the place where you can go, Udemy, right guys? And you can see that categories, right? There are so many categories. If you love health and fitness, then you can create any course in health and fitness. If you love photography, then you can create, if you are expert at photography, then you can create your photography course, right guys? So here people come and they buy online courses. So yes, you can make money by selling online course, right guys? So guys, this is my number one way. Second way is affiliate marketing. Yes guys, if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, then simply in affiliate marketing, what we do, we sell someone else's product for a commission, right? This is affiliate marketing. We don't need to have our own product, right guys? So guys, if you want to become an affiliate of world's number one affiliate company, then guys, I myself promote ClickFunnels. They have world's best affiliate program, right guys? Down below there is a link so that you can join their affiliate program if you want to, right? If you want to do affiliate marketing, then down below I'm putting the link so that you can join their affiliate program, right guys? So guys, you can become an affiliate and you can start promoting someone else's product for a commission. So guys, this is the second way that you can make money online in 2019. Let us show that what I'm talking about. So it's a ClickFunnels, right? Can you see that? It's ClickFunnels, and they have their it's a, you know, it's a you can say it's a SaaS product, software as a service, and through subscribing to this product, you can create landing page, you can create your own sales funnel, membership site. So guys, it's a, you know, very good product to promote, right guys? So yes, can you see that affiliate? So you can become an affiliate of ClickFunnels, right? Can you see that? Sign up to become an affiliate. So you can go and click on that, and just, you know, it's a small form that you have to submit, and you can, after submitting, after putting your information, you can become an affiliate of ClickFunnels, because they have very good affiliate program, right? They pay monthly recurring commission, 40% commission. So guys, yes, it's a good product and it's a good program, affiliate program, that you can become an affiliate and you can make money in 2019, right guys? So this is my second way, guys. Number third is create your video and upload it on YouTube, right? Right now what I'm doing, guys, I'm creating a video, right, for YouTube, right? So in my video, what I can review about the product, right? For example, right now I'm just reviewing about ClickFunnels, right? Because they have very world's best affiliate program, right? If somebody buys any ClickFunnels product, then I get commission, right? So guys, you can create a video, upload it to YouTube, and where you can review about any product. If you are into health and fitness, then you can review about any product that is related to health and fitness, right? Or what you can do, you can go to ClickBank. You're right. Let me show you. ClickBank. Guys, you can go to ClickBank and you can create your account, because it's a place, it's a place where you will find all digital products almost in every niche that you can imagine, right guys? So they have very good products. So yes, you can become an affiliate at ClickBank, and you can start promoting your product, your affiliate product, and just in the description section, right, you can put your affiliate link, right guys? So this is another way, this is the third way that you can make money online in 2019, right guys? And yes, here is my boss. Guys, if you are really serious about making money online or how to start your online business, then guys, there is a program that we call it One Funnel Away Challenge. Guys, this program is by Russell Brunson, who is 8-figure entrepreneur, and they have very great program that we call One Funnel Away Challenge. And guys, if you are searching for how to make money online or how to start your online business, right, guys, this program is for you. This program is for you. Stop wasting your precious time, stop wasting your precious money. Just go and register yourself for this One Funnel Away Challenge. Guys, I must tell you, if you attend this challenge, it's a 30-day challenge, right? It's a 30 days program. In this program, Russell Brunson himself, right, where people pay him about $25,000 just to attend his master class. Guys, you will be getting direct coaching right from him, Russell Brunson, for under $100, right guys? Now you can compare compare between $25,000 and $100. And not only Russell Brunson himself, his other two coaches, one is Stoien and another is Stephen Larsen. They are also going to coach you, teach you about how to start your online business, how to create your offer, how to create a sequence, right? How to create your sales page, how to create your thank you page, landing page, right? And how to promote your offer, right? Right from scratch, they are going to teach you. So guys, if you are really serious about your online business, then go and attend this One Funnel Away Challenge. Down below, I'm putting the link. Go and register yourself for this challenge if you are really serious, right guys? So guys, these are the 3 ways that you can make money in 2019. Number 1, sell your online course. Second, become an affiliate, do affiliate marketing. Third, create YouTube videos and upload it to YouTube, create your channel, and yes, in your video you can review about the product, and in description section or in video by creating card you can have a link. It can be your affiliate link or your own products link, and yes, when somebody will buy, you can make money online, right guys? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Have a nice day. And yes, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and just guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right guys, so have a nice day. Bye bye. Love you.